Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to New York Times. As you can see here, I have the web version opened. So what we're going to do here is just basically click on subscribe right here at the very top. Or if you can't see it, just go ahead over to your accounts right here. And there you have your option to subscribe as well. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be landed to this exact page. All right. If you want to be billed just once per year, go ahead and click this option. If you want to try it out and be billed 25 cents a week, all right, go ahead and select this one. Just for this example, I'm going to select this particular offer. Then I'm going to hit on subscribe now. Now in here, as you can see, our email has already been added as we are logged in. If you're not logged in, it will just require you to log in. Now in here, it will ask for a payment method, either PayPal or credit or debit card. I'm going to select a credit or debit card. I'm going to type in my card info right here. As you can see here, I'm done typing my card info. I'm just going to hit on continue and the review page will load. As you can see here, this is an all access subscription, which is an unlimited digital access to the New York Times. Weekly price would be 25 cents. And in a month, you will be billed $1. All right. Just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find purchase subscription. Click on it. Well, unfortunately, as you can see here, we can't process your request. Please try a different payment method. I forgot that my card has a zero balance in it. Well, if you have a working card that got a balance in it, just go ahead and click on purchase subscription. And once done, just go ahead over to the New York Times and the subscribe button right here will be gone. That means that you're already subscribed. All right. And when you go to your accounts right here and head over to account setting. All right. And when you scroll down, you should be able to see your subscription right here. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.